Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to animate product demonstrations in Canva. So first, we can go here, select presentation or video, anything would work. So once here, let's say that we will endorse a product. So let's say your products are brand, say Coca-Cola. So here that you can select some products here or whatever products that suits you most. And you can put your elements, some cola. And you can add a text here, let's say Coca-Cola. Let's say here. Maybe we can find a better font that suits the text. We can put some effects on the font. Say this one. These ones are in the back, so maybe we can add some more elements here, like a good Coke. So we just press here, then animate, then we can check some animations. Then here we can just put some animations as well, also this product. So here you can see the animations that I made using this. But I know that it could be better, but this is just a sample. So here's a sample of the animations that you can do in Canva. So yeah, that's one of how to animate your product. So we have actually more animations here. Like we can look different, and we can just put the direction. So that's all for today's video, and that's how you animate a Canva product. And off to the next one.